Hi everyone, welcome to GrowthMark. We're here to blend our extensive knowledge in banking, finance, accounting, and real estate to guide you through your financial journey. Today, we're focusing on a critical aspect of personal finance, the most logical way to make the most money and become a millionaire. In our experience, this is one of the safest and most logical ways to not only maximize your income, but also one of the best ways to become a millionaire by maximizing all your chances for it, and most importantly, to gain control over your time as we progress, a precious commodity in today's fast-paced world. While there are numerous routes to wealth, many carry significant risks that work for some, but for the majority, they often lead to dead ends and a waste of time that you will never bring back. That's why we're here to share with you a life game plan, a strategy that can be applied across various professional fields, focusing on the most logical and best ways to elevate your income. For most successful results, we will be focusing on fields with transferable skills to business. But remember that no matter what field you are in and what level of education you have, there is always a way to follow a similar path. This is not one of those videos on how to become a millionaire in 1 year, as we really want to see you succeed in this life and don't waste your time. So stay to the end to understand this life-changing plan and be ready to learn as you progress in life. All we ask in return is to like this video if you found the information valuable. So let's dive in. The path begins with a critical step, identifying your strengths and interests in specific business fields. The following fields are a great start: sales, marketing, software engineering, finance, legal, or management. Knowing where your natural abilities lie is the key to unlocking your potential in the marketplace. It's about finding that sweet spot where your skills meet market demand. To uncover this, use tools like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator or StrengthsFinder. These aren't just assessments, they're insights into your professional DNA. Furthermore, you can gather feedback from those around you, colleagues, mentors, supervisors. They can often spot talents and areas for improvement that you might miss. And don't forget to put these insights to the test in the real world to truly get a feeling of what it takes. Engage in community projects, take on part-time roles in related fields even if they are freelance, and see firsthand what truly resonates with your skills and interests. The next phase of our path is education and skill development. If you're drawn to a field like finance or legal, start by diving into relevant courses. This could include evening classes, weekend workshops, or online courses offered by platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or others. The goal is to build a solid foundation of knowledge that will pave the way to more formal education, such as a bachelor's degree in your chosen field. That's why it's important to get the basics before going further. But remember, education goes beyond the classroom. Look for scholarships, internships, or work-study programs that offer not just financial support, but also practical experience. Plus, immerse yourself in the industry. Attend events, workshops, and seminars. These are prime opportunities to network and absorb knowledge from established professionals in the field. With your degree in hand, it's time to navigate the career path in your chosen field. Target roles in the chosen sectors we mentioned, as these aren't just jobs. They are experiences that would provide crucial insights into business operations, insights that are vital for your entrepreneurial journey down the line. During this period, focus on saving and smart investing. Understand and utilize tax-advantaged accounts and the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more net worth you will accumulate over time. Simultaneously, build a professional network. Join industry forums, attend seminars, and become an active member of professional associations. This network will be invaluable as you progress in your career and life. Professional advancement is more than just climbing the corporate ladder. It's about strategically increasing your market value. For instance, if you're in finance, consider pursuing a CPA. If you're in the legal field, look into bar admission. These certifications boost your marketability and make you competitive against others. Once you have the necessary expertise, it's time to make the first serious move, as our goal is not a 9-to-5 job and living paycheck to paycheck. It's time to seek out job opportunities in companies that offer equity, as it's one of the best ways to become a millionaire if you are working for the right company. This is where your research skills come into play. Evaluate the company's growth potential, market trends, financial health, leadership quality, and industry forecasts. Understanding equity compensation, such as stock options or profit-sharing plans, is crucial. This isn't just another job. It's an opportunity to be a stakeholder in a potentially lucrative future, and many people become millionaires just by this itself, but we have bigger plans. Now, let's talk about side hustles. We are not talking about small side hustles just to make extra cash, as it won't get you anywhere long term. Also, in the current economic landscape, relying on a single income stream is not the best choice, and unfortunately, the majority of people are stuck here and afraid of getting out of their comfort zone and walking a tightrope without a safety net. Explore side hustles with scalability potential. This is very important and a major step to success, like e-commerce and digital services. These ventures are about aligning your strengths with market needs. But it's not just about launching a business. It's about strategically validating your business idea through market testing and small-scale pilots. Develop a strong digital presence through social media and e-commerce platforms to reach a broader audience. This isn't just about earning extra income. It's about creating additional sources of wealth. Here is another specific wealth-building strategy worth considering is real estate investment that is basically your living place as our goal to minimize risks and maximize your chances to become a millionaire. This doesn't mean becoming a real estate expert overnight. It's about a measured approach to accumulating wealth in a safe, strategic way that many people miss. Look for properties in areas with growth potential and make sure you can afford the payments. An effective strategy will be living in the property as your primary residence for 2 out of 5 years, which allows you to sell the property and benefit from a significant tax deduction on capital gains. Then, reinvest in another property and repeat the process to accumulate wealth. You need to live somewhere anyway. Let's minimize risk while potentially getting substantial returns, as it is a great way for another accessible avenue for wealth accumulation. Now back to side hustles. Market research is the backbone of any successful business venture. Before fully committing to your side hustle, conduct thorough market research. Understand the needs of your target market, analyze the competitive landscape, and identify both challenges and opportunities. Tools like Google Trends, industry reports, and survey platforms are invaluable for gaining comprehensive market insights. This step ensures that your business idea is not just a shot in the dark, but a well-informed strategy poised for success. There is nothing worse than spending all your energy and time into something that doesn't have demand, no matter how good your product is. So please take this step seriously. Remember, the path to financial success is rarely a straight line. It's marked by highs and lows, successes and setbacks. Embrace this path with persistence and a commitment to continuous learning. Every challenge faced is an opportunity to grow, and every failure a valuable lesson. And as a fact, most successful people failed many times but never gave up. So embrace this if this happens. As your side business begins to gain traction, think about ways to expand and scale. This depends on your stage and could involve broadening your product range, entering new markets, or ramping up marketing efforts to capture a larger audience. Consider bringing in advisors or investors for strategic growth. Additionally, stay open to opportunities like partnerships, franchising, or leveraging digital transformation. As you scale your business, continually assess the best strategies for potential exits, such as selling the business or establishing passive income streams through licensing agreements or royalties. If you follow our path, there is a great chance you are a millionaire even before this stage. But if not, this is what will make you a millionaire. Upon reaching millionaire status, the focus shifts to how to invest your money effectively and get ultimate control over your time. Roles like angel investor or advisor become viable options, where you can leverage your experience and network to mentor and invest in other businesses. Your experience in starting and scaling businesses equips you with knowledge and resources invaluable to other startups and entrepreneurs. Use your network and resources to identify and capitalize on new business opportunities, understanding that your journey has equipped you with invaluable insights and skills. In managing your finances, maintain a focus on balance. Strive for harmony between investments, savings, and spending. Always maintain a financial safety net. Explore diversified investment strategies, set long-term financial goals, and consider consulting with financial advisors and experts to further progress. Now let's dive into a practical example to put all this together. Consider Sarah, a data clerk who dreamed big about her financial future. Her journey started by diving into accounting classes. This wasn't just about learning numbers, it was about getting to know the business world and connecting with people who knew their way around it. Her hard work led to a college degree in accounting, which opened doors to an entry-level job. Right from the start, Sarah was smart about her money. She saved as much as she could, putting it into accounts that helped her money grow without getting hit hard by taxes. With time and experience, Sarah aimed higher. She got her CPA certification, a big deal in the accounting world. This helped her land a job at a big accounting firm, where she learned heaps about different businesses and made a lot of useful contacts. Sarah knew there was more to earning money than just a regular job. She found a company that didn't just pay a salary, but also offered a share in the company, known as equity. This was her first big step toward big-time wealth. On the side, Sarah jumped into the online shopping world. She started with a simple business model called white labeling, selling products made by others but under her own brand. She didn't need a lot of money to start this. Sarah did her homework, making sure there was a market for what she was selling before diving in. Real estate was another smart move for Sarah. She bought a place in an up-and-coming area and lived there for a while. This was clever because, when she sold it, she didn't have to pay as much tax on the profit. Her plan was to keep doing this: buy, live, sell, and repeat, each time making more money from her investments. As her online store took off, Sarah began creating her own products. This was a big step that really paid off. She even found an investor to help her grow the business further. When the time was right, she sold her online store for a hefty sum. Now with a good chunk of money and loads of experience, Sarah turned to helping other businesses get off the ground. She became an angel investor, putting her money into new companies, and an advisor, sharing her knowledge with up-and-coming entrepreneurs. Looking back, Sarah's success came from a mix of smart saving, learning new skills, making bold career moves, and investing wisely. She didn't rely on just one source of income. Her money came from her job, her online business, real estate, and eventually, from helping other businesses grow. This mix is what made her path to becoming a millionaire not just successful but also safe. She didn't put all her eggs in one basket and was always ready to adapt and learn. Sarah's story shows that with the right strategy and a bit of grit, turning big dreams into reality is totally possible. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive roadmap to financial success. It's not just about making money, it's about making smart, calculated moves that accumulate wealth over time. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. We're eager to hear from you. How are you planning to implement these strategies? Share your stories in the comments below. Your journey could be the inspiration someone else needs to start their path to financial stability and freedom.